Hi, in this video we're going to learn about how you can use the data cleanse transformation feature in Astera Centerprise. Data cleanse, found under the transformation section of the toolbox, allows business users to cleanse raw data presented in a more refined, standardized, and enterprise-ready format. Using the data cleanse transformation, you can clean up data from null values, redundant text and characters, and prepare raw data for other functions available in Astera Centerprise. Let's see how data cleanse transformation works in Centerprise. Here, we have a sample dataset of fictitious campaigns that has been read using a database table source object. If we preview our source data, we can see that it contains some pieces of information regarding each campaign, such as their name, type, status, and expected revenue, etc. Our goal is to clean up, refine, standardize the data. Let's go ahead and do that. Drag the data cleanse transformation object from the transformation section of the toolbox and drop it onto the Dataflow designer. You can see that the object is currently empty. However, this input port can be used to map your source data into it. We can simply drag and connect these ports to add the data fields in the object. Now, right-click on the object's header and select Properties from the context menu. This will take you to the Layout Builder screen. Here, you can edit, create, delete fields, perform calculations, and also customize the layout of your dataset. Let's leave it as it is and move on to the next screen by clicking Next. This is the Property screen. Here, you can set up the data cleanse criteria for your source data. You can find various data cleanse options arranged in different sections. Let's explore them one by one. The Remove section. The options provided within this section allow you to remove values, spaces, tabs, and line breaks, etc. from your source data. Checking the All White Spaces option will disable the three options below, and checking Specified Characters option will give you the liberty to specify multiple characters that you want to remove from the source data. Let's leave these options unchecked for now. The Replace Null section. As the name suggests, this section allows you to replace null values inside a string or numeric field with a corresponding value, blank in the case of a string and 0 in the case of a numeric field. As the source data contains null value in numeric fields, we will check the Replace Numeric with 0 option. The Find and Replace section. This section enables you to replace a value in the source dataset with another value. Here, write the value you want to search, and here, write the value you want the search value to be replaced with. You can select a search mode from these three options. Normal mode allows you to perform the Find and Replace function. Additionally, it gives the functionality to perform the search on a case-sensitive basis. For example, we can change the status from planned to scheduled. Extended mode allows you to search for tabs, new line, or a character by its value and replace it with a desired value. For example, we can replace white spaces within our source values with a hyphen. The regular expression mode allows you to find and replace a value based on a regular expression. For example, any word is starting from capital D, having 0 or more letters with white spaces, and is terminating with the letter L. Replace that word with the word male. For simplicity, let's use the normal search mode with the example explained earlier on. The case section. The options of case section allows you to convert the letter case of your source data to upper, lower, title case, or none. Let's select the title case from the drop-down menu to give the source data a refined look. The modified data section. This section provides you the flexibility and convenience of applying an expression to all fields in your data. Check the Run Expression on All Fields option to activate this feature. Click on the ellipsis button to open the expression builder. Here, you can choose from the extensive libraries of built-in expressions and apply the function on all the mapped fields by adding it to a field value parameter. For example, we can map a regular expression to field value parameter. From the regular expression function category, select the Replace Regular Expression function. Here, you have to provide the pattern you want to find, where you want to search it, and what you want it to be replaced with. This expression means that we want to replace white spaces of length 1 or more in values of source data to a double ampersand sign. We have defined all the configurations. Let's close the Properties window by clicking OK. Click on the Database Source Objects header and select Preview Output from the context menu. You can see that this is the source data. According to the options that we have selected earlier, our output data should have zeros placed in numeric fields where the source data were null. The word planned should be replaced with the word scheduled. Every string value in the dataset should be in title case. And every value in the source data which contains 1 or more white spaces should be replaced with a double ampersand sign. Let's click on the Data Cleanse object header and select Preview Output from the context menu. Here, you can clearly see all the changes that have been made in the output data. So, this is how you can use the Data Cleanse transformation in Centerprise. For more information on how to use Astera Centerprise, you may visit our website. Thank you for watching.